Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to code guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys notification control center style change setting. How to change notification control center style in Redmi mobile. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, how to use notification control center style setting and how to change. Open your phone setting first of all. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type interface in your Redmi mobile. Friends, in your Redmi mobile, click here notification and control center setting. After on, friends, you want to off any app notification guys. Any app notification, friends, select your app. Which app notification, friends, you don't want to use, you can turn off and you can on from here. Friends, notification effects you want to set in your device. So friends, you can set notification effects in your Redmi mobile. And you don't want to use, you can turn off. Friends, click here notification control center style setting, and friends there are two options, old version and new version. So friends, you can see pull down in status bar to view setting. So friends, if you pull down friends here, so friends you can use old version, and friends if you click new version, so friends pull down right side. So friends you can use mobile network setting, Wi-Fi network setting, Bluetooth setting, you can on, you can take a screenshot. And friends the left side, if you pull down here, swipe down, so friends you can check notification. So friends you want to use old version, you want to use new version, you can on. And friends if you click old version, so friends you can check your daily data uses. So you can check guys, you have used 4 MB, 100 MB, 200 MB. But friends if you click new version, so friends you cannot check daily data uses on screen. So like that friends, you can change notification control center style in your Redmi mobile. Friends, you want to use new version, all versions, select here and you can change it. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.